Refectories. In the monastery, mealtime wasn't just about nourishing the body, it was a time to nurture the spirit, build community, and reflect. The refectory, or dining hall, was where monks gathered together, not just to eat, but to connect with one another and with the divine. Picture a large, echoing space with long wooden tables, simple stone walls, and just enough light filtering through narrow windows to give the room a sacred glow. Here, every meal was treated as a sacred ritual, and every bite was an opportunity for reflection. The atmosphere in the refectory was intentionally simple. The monks' vows of humility were reflected in their daily meals, plain, frugal, and often eaten in silence. Imagine the hum of the room, filled with the soft clink of utensils and the occasional rustle of robes, as monks focused not just on the food, but on their inner thoughts, prayers, and the readings they listened to during mealtime. These readings often came from the scriptures or the lives of saints, offering nourishment for the soul while the monks ate. But what made the refectory truly unique wasn't just the food. It was the way in which it served as a focal point for community. Though the monks ate in silence, the refectory was still a place of connection. The ritual of dining together, in the presence of shared faith and discipline, created a bond among the monks that extended beyond words. Even though they were alone in their thoughts, they were never truly alone. The presence of fellow monks reminded them that they were all on the same spiritual journey. Interestingly, the refectory also embodied the concept of moderation. Meals were simple, often consisting of bread, vegetables, and occasionally a bit of fish. It wasn't about indulgence, it was about spiritual balance. The idea was to nourish the body enough to carry out the daily work and prayers, but not to overindulge in worldly pleasures. Eating together in this minimalist space created a rhythm to life, reinforcing the monastery's commitment to simplicity, humility, and divine service. Meals were never just meals, they were a reminder of the spiritual purpose that underpinned every monk's life.